Hi, today you will learn how to add new audio track to your project in Kdenlive. So for example, we have here some tracks which we have inserted in this project. If you want to add another one track, you need to click right mouse button somewhere on the audio track, and then you need to go to insert track. Here you will be able to select numbers of tracks which you want to insert. So for example, you can add here one track, two tracks, three tracks or more. So for example, I type here one track, and now you need to select which type of tracks you want to add. You can select here video track, audio track, AV track or audio record track. Everything depends on your preferences. So in this case, we want to add audio tracks. So I select audio track. Of course, we can select position where we want to insert it. If you want to insert it under this track, you need to select here under, but if you want to insert it above this track, you need to select here above. So I select here under, I type the track name, for example, new audio track, and I click OK button. After that, it will be successfully inserted here. How you see, we have here name of our track. So in this way, you can easily insert audio tracks in Kdenlive. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.